If you're an Akixi reporting user, you have the ability to create custom-built dashboard reports, allowing you to view up to 6 of your reports on a single display. Dashboards are your chance to get creative. You have flexibility to create a specific dashboard for each team, create multiple dashboards illustrating different KPIs, or even a summary of all the call and contact activity happening in your business right now. Let's head over to the reporting portal to get started. On the reporting portal, begin by creating a new report. Here in the Add New Report window, you'll want to select the dashboard report style. You can then go ahead with giving your dashboard a custom name, along with choosing which report folder you want to be saved in. You can also enter a report note should you want to provide some information against the dashboard that you're actually creating. Heading onto the layout menu item, you can choose a layout for the dashboard you're creating. Each number within the dashboard layout preview corresponds to a report to be included. Do not worry too much about choosing a definite layout, as this can be very easily changed after the dashboard has been created. Under settings, you can choose whether you want to include the dashboard in the reporting transitioning sequence. Again, this doesn't have to be decided now and can be set at a later time, so just click OK. The building blocks of your dashboard have been created. The layout can be changed anytime using the dashboard layout icon in the top right of the reporting toolbar. Let's now move on to adding reports to the dashboard layout. Start by clicking on one of the areas where a report is to be added. You will have the option to choose an existing report, or alternatively, you can create a new report. We will go ahead with adding an existing report to the dashboard. Simply locate your reports and click on the report to be added. And now you can see the report has been added to the dashboard. We still have more spaces to add reports, so let's complete building our dashboard by selecting an additional report and creating a new one. Something to note when creating a new report in a dashboard is that it will automatically be placed in the dashboard sub-reports folder to keep things tidy. This can be changed to a custom folder if you wish. Finish completing your report by clicking the OK button. This will be added to your dashboard. Easily customize the position of the reports on your dashboard with drag and drop functionality. Simply click on the drag button and move the report to its new position. As you can see, the reports change their position. You can also easily make changes to reports on the dashboard through the quick report options. Highlight over a report you want to make changes to and click on the 3 dots. From here, you can either modify the report, switch the report with another, create a new report, or you can remove the report from the dashboard. If you do click on Remove Report, you can choose whether the report is to be permanently deleted or just removed from the dashboard. If you just remove the report and do not delete it, the report will still remain in the reports folder list for you to use again, either in another dashboard or on its own as a standalone report. This has been your startup guide to creating dashboards. Be sure to check out our other tutorial videos on the Akixi YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.